This is the lift at Marks and Spencer in Sandhurst. It's a Cone original eco disc and there's an exclamation mark in the pit. Here it is. And we're going to go up to 1.
Doors closing.
Capacity 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 1999. It's an older eco disc. It's this door on 1. Nice clunk.
Doors opening.
Go back down to G. This is Marks and Spencer in Camberley.
Doors closing.
It's a very nice lift.
Ground floor.
Here we are back at G.
Doors opening.
There it goes.
Closing.
And that's it. This is the lift at Tesco in Sandhurst. And we're going to go up to 1. It's an unknown digital lift controls lift. Capacity 2000 kilos. Year made 1999. It's hydraulic. This is a bit like the original lift at Newlands.
Floor 1.
This is a bit like the original glass lifts at Newlands in Kettering, this panel. Go back down to G. It's a glass lift, down we go. There's the other panel.
Ground floor.
I'm going to get a pit view. And there's the signs down there. It's a yellow and blue exclamation mark. And that's it. This is the lift at Next in Sandhurst.
Doors.
Door close button does work like that. It's a Kleeman Oakland Excelsior lift. Capacity 13 persons, 1000 kilos, built in 2013.
First floor.
We're at 1.
Doors.
Go back down to G.
Doors closing.
It's got Shanghai step buttons. We are back at G.
Doors.
This is the other lifts at Next in Sandhurst.
Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. It's another Kleeman Oakland Excelsior lift. Capacity 26 persons, 2000 kilos.
First floor.
Built in 2013. This is the big lift. It's a set of 2 lifts
Doors
as well.
opening.
Go back down to G.
Doors closing.
It's the same as the last one. We are back at G.
Ground floor. Doors
And that's it.
opening.